It's new, it's efficient, it's hassle-free, it's travel-friendly, it's light, it's got a light, and it's got a light.
Salam namaste. Welcome to Zlade Ballistic #Manscaping made easy. This all new Manscaping trimmer by Zlade Ballistic is all things amazing. Now let me tell you how you can trim your body hair in a way कि आपकी नाजुक कोमल त्वचा को कहीं कोई खरोच ना आए. And your best bet is using the Zlade Ballistic Lite trimmer. First things first, understand your skin. Having loose and textured skin on certain parts of your body is a given. Now imagine two ping pong balls inside a deflated balloon or a thin cloth. See how the texture makes it tough for you to glide a trimmer over it? Getting your skin taut बोले तो एकदम tight, is the most important hack to successfully trimming the hair on it, especially when it comes to sensitive regions like your underarms or your pubic region. Remember, it is critical for the skin to be stretched as flat as possible before the blades pass over it.
This trimmer runs on AAA batteries. Insert two AAA batteries in the slots provided at the rear end of the trimmer.
The Zlade Ballistic Lite trimmer comes with an adjustable comb. You can adjust it according to the existing length of your hair and the desired length. मैं तो बिना attachment के भी कभी-कभी use कर लेता हूँ to get the closest possible trim, but we recommend using the guiding comb in case you're worried about injuring yourself. Long press the start button for 3 seconds to turn the trimmer on. This trimmer has an amazing LED pathfinder light which makes it super easy for you to see in hard to reach areas or dimly lit bathrooms. We recommend using the trimmer against the grain. मतलब कि आपके बालों की नेचुरल ग्रोथ के उल्टे डायरेक्शन में. कछुए खरगोश की कहानी तो आपने सुनी ही होगी. Slow and steady always wins the race. So maintain a steady tempo and an even pressure. Use short and confident strokes while trimming. Be extra careful while running the trimmer blade on sensitive skin. The Zlade Ballistic full body manscaping trimmers are equipped with the revolutionary safe edge technology, like you might have heard Milind Soman say in some of our ads. These soft ceramic blades are designed to prevent nicks and cuts. Pro tip, replace your cutter head every 3 months for the best results if you are a frequent trimmer user. Once you're done landscaping your private garden, use the cleaning brush to remove any hair that's stuck between the blades. Thanks to the trimmer's IPX6 rating, you can easily wash it under running water too. In fact, we recommend using it under the shower so that it is easier to clean up the mess. Let's bring the sexy back with Zlade Ballistic.